Hi, this is instructions on how to get your SNAP program into a Google document so that you can turn in your response for the AP Create performance task, and in particular the 2E response, which is the entire program code. So if you have your SNAP program open, first thing to do is go to Unused Blocks. Now these will be the blocks that won't be included in the code, something you may have created but don't use, or some of the system blocks. So if you hit OK, you can see there were 19 blocks that I'm not using. And at that point, you're going to do Export Summary. This will open up a new tab, which will have all your blocks created. Sometimes you might get a pop-up block, so you might need to allow pop-ups. At this point, you're going to highlight the whole thing, and it can be long. You're going to hit Copy. Now go over to your Google document and hit Paste. This could take a little bit. They're loading the images. Okay, and they're mostly done. But now you need to determine which is the algorithm that you want to write about. So the first thing I would do is I would go to the algorithm that I want to talk about, which is this one, or the script that I want to, and I would copy, and I would paste it back up into 2C, which is our algorithm part, and which I've already done. But I want to paste that over. Okay, and then the second thing I would need to do is put an oval around this section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a drawing, and inside this drawing I'm going to paste that particular script. Okay, and I'm going to recenter it a little bit. I'm going to go to Shapes, Oval, and I'm going to drag this oval across here. Fortunately, it's opaque, so then I'm going to go to Fill Color, Transparent. The other thing I'm going to do is about the line width, weight. I'm going to make it 4 points, so it makes it a little more. And then I'm just going to hit Save and Close. Now that will pop into your spot where you want to see it, and it shows that is the algorithm section. You'll do the same thing for the abstraction section, but that would be a rectangle. At this point, you know it's saved, but eventually you'll need to turn this in as a PDF. So in Google Docs, you'll go Download as a PDF document, and that's what you would upload to the College Board. Thanks.